And good.
Hi, this is Scott, and again we have Roger Long with us. He's one of the predominant artists in Oregon, and he's here with some work today. And Roger has been an artist for generations, I'll tell you.
Started in 1950, Scott.
So 1950, yeah. All right, that's 60 years ago.
Klamath Falls.
Yeah, Klamath Falls, I'll be dang. And Roger, this picture is a mandala.
Yeah, right? this is like the little symbol on my bookmark. It's called Earth's Life Force Number Mandala, 0 to 5 and back to 10. We took that mandala and I did it 3 times. So here's 0, then 1, and then 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 are made of 2 circles, 2 arrows to 1 circle. Well, this circle represents the Earth, and the hot interior of the Earth, and the 1 and 2 part. That line up here is the lava going up and making the snow-capped mountains of the Cascades and things like that. Well, 0 to 5 back to 10 done 3 times. This inverted triangle is heaven. 7 is heaven. This is the number 7, an inverted triangle, the one part of the Star of David. The Star of David is giving thanks to where life is, right here, where heaven and earth meet in communion. And so here's the sun shining on the seeds of earth. The seed grows up, and the life force, the number 4 and 5, makes the earth and the life force that grows from it. And here's her sign. The cross is the positive sign of the 2 ingredients of life. The vertical line is the light of the sun that shines down to earth, and the horizontal line represents the cool reaches of space, or the comets of the waters that make it. It is the positive sign that was given to Mother Earth, the only planet in our solar system that gives life.
I see.
And so, to honor that, using the lines that tell a tale and the letters that architects have used for 2,000 years since they were born in the Mediterranean by all the civilizations of the Mediterranean, these capital letters are in 6 clusters of 6 along with the Arabic digits of the 36 signs that we use to receive knowledge from ourselves, from all our relations.
I see.
So here's the first cluster: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
And so these corners here are the 4 seasons. Here is a seed. The S is a seed of spring. Here's the word spring in living script. The word summer has all 4 seasons in it. The first letter is the seed of spring. Upward and outward grows U, is summer's growth. M is the branches bending in maturity in autumn, the letter M in autumn. Here's the word autumn. There's the third symbol of autumn.
I see.
And then winter, the letter R, this winter is returned and contained within the seed of eternal life, like the letter D, and the number 10 is winter seed contained.
Wow. Well, Roger, if nothing else, that is a gorgeous creation of yours.
Yeah, this is a very good teaching, and so
cool. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, yes, this is Earth's flower number mandala.
Wow.
Yep.
Excellent.
And then over here, let's take a picture. This is something that you gave your wife. This is a picture, a 4-panel picture called The Threads of Time. And here, my wife in repose. This is the mountain range in southern Oregon. Of her arms and her head and her breast and her body and her knee and her feet. Over here is well, let me show you another. I did a winter scene, and the winter scene of the same thing is called Mother Earth's Snowflakes and Their Story.
I see.
And so this is a mountain range called Dead Indian Mountain that's between Upper Klamath Lake, Klamath Falls, and Medford Ashland across this mountain range on the Beyond her feet over here is Mount McLaughlin,
I see.
and beyond her hands over here is Mount Shasta of the Cascade Range.
And I'm going to try to get a close-up here, Roger.
Okay.
And this is all living script here also then.
Yeah, I can. I could bring in the other painting. We could see it a little bit more, so we could read it. Should I bring that in?
No, I think we're good. Just taking these kind of shots.
Well, here's a picture of that mountain range, and you can see the hands and her head and her breast and her body and her knees and her feet.
Wow. Exceptional.
And so Mother's story begins with, surely the snowflakes are lovely images of love, snowflakes white floating by the window like countless stars bringing gifts to earth. Each lovely snowflake a jewel to behold, a special moment and a special message when it touches the receptive earth, to which always is its journey's end, and the earth embracing it wherever it falls. And the vapors that ascend into the heavens to create the snow is now returning to embrace that which gives it existence. The winter snowfields of infinite embraces greet the living sun to melt it back into the receptive earth, and the earth shall receive it, and with it give life once again and again, a special moment, a jewel to behold, each lovely snowflake bringing gifts to earth like countless stars floating by the window. Snowflakes white, lovely images of love, surely the snowflakes are. And that's what each line here represents that poem.
Oh, thank you for that, Roger.
And it was done with acrylic and stone on a 3/8" panel, and this was carved in gold leaf where the horizon is. And then this is a heavy-duty canvas, and this was my wife.
Wow, exceptional. Roger, thanks for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.